Well, it's a crazy time for many people because you guys are out there finding. And what you're seeing right now is just a quick preview. The next video is going to be a giveaway for sure. For example, this is already in the giveaway. There are always different reasons on Indian Trace why I'll do that. Or I know that some can't hunt, have no place, could never dream of finding. But some of us can, and I want to do my best to pay it forward. This is a group that I haven't even gone through. It's hard to get a good focus on it. But like I said, not more than a minute or so, just a little bit of a preview. A lot of these things are going to be in it, and some that are already set aside. So make sure you tune in and win.